Hey guys, welcome back to Fast Fix. In this video, we're going to show you how to use this DALL-E tree on your ChatGPT. Yes, you heard it right. DALL-E tree is now available on your ChatGPT. So basically here, ChatGPT can now create a unique images from a simple conversation. So it's like a mid-journey on your Discord. So as of now, it is only available to Plus and Enterprise user today. So if you go on your chat GPT, basically you'll find GPT 3.5. But if you want to have an access with a DALL-E 3, you just need to subscribe or upgrade to chat GPT Plus or GPT-4. So if you click on upgrade, you'll find this upgrade plan. And basically at the bottom, you'll find access to additional tools like DALL-E. So yeah, basically just need to upgrade your plan. So what you're going to do here, describe your vision, and ChatGPT will bring it to life by providing a selection of visuals for you to refine and iterate upon. So you can ask for revisions right in the chat. So this is powered by our most capable image model, which is the DALL-E E3. So basically on this sample, so if you just type a message just like this: I am doing a report on Cirrus clouds from my high school science class. I need photorealistic images that shows off how wispy they are. I'm going to compare them to photos I took of puffy cumulonimbus clouds at my house yesterday. So once you click on enter, it will show you these images on your chat GPT. So that's what the DALL-E E3 brings to the ChatGPT. So this is the one of the best features of the ChatGPT right now. So you can try to upgrade your plan to ChatGPT Plus to be able to use this DALL-E E3 on your ChatGPT. So basically right here, DALL-E E3 was then trained on those improved captions, resulting in a model which needs much more attention to the user supplied captions. So you can read more about this process in our research paper. So here on this website, openai.com, you can read all of the information about the DALL-E E3. Now, as you can see on your gallery, you'll find here all the samples that the DALL-E E3 made for you. So yeah, basically you just need to upgrade your plan to ChatGPT Plus to be able to use this newest feature of ChatGPT. So yeah, that's how you basically use this DALL-E E3 on your ChatGPT. So thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like and subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell to notify you on the next video.